Hello, today we are going south of the border. What? There's something known as south of the border as Pedro's Reptile Lagoon. Cool. I want to wrestle alligators. If you can see over there that there is a sign. And guess what that sign is for? Yes. South of the border. We are approaching south of the border. Oh my. This looks like heaven. Oh my god. This looks awesome. This looks awesome already just by looking at it. Fort Pedro. Fireworks for Pedro.
Are caught up there.
Oh my god. This looks awesome. We have free tickets to go up into Sombrero. That's gonna be fun. We are in the elevator to go to the top of the Sombrero. Oh, and we're up. And off we go into the night sky. Look at the south of the border sign.
Reptile Lagoon.
Where?
There.
I see it. Where? Look at this. Oh my god. There's the reptile world over there. And see that dome? Guess what? That's where the hotel is. And guess what? We are 200 feet in the air. That's so high. Stop and listen to the sound of I-95. If you don't know the reference I'm talking about, watch my Gritty 5K video. We're going down. Woo! South of the border. There's the sign. Going down. Wow. Look at the beams holding up that giant sombrero. Wow. That's amazing. And we're back into the building. Back to the arcade. Oh, friend-shaped alligator or not friend-shaped alligator? I don't know, but that's an alligator. More alligators. Hey, cool. There's some more. Here are some crocodiles. This is a slender snouted crocodile. Jeez, what's oh my god. That is a smooth front cayman. He's laser focused on me passing by. Hey, this is fascinating. Whoa, look at that big bell, then milk snake. Oh, this is Western Hognose. Oh my god, this is a raggy beauty snake. Oh my god, look at this. This is an Arizona mountain goat. Oh my god. This one is a Reynolds python. Oh my god, this is a python. That is a python. Oh my god. Look at this thing. This is a Brazilian rainbow boa.
Rainbow boa.
This Mexican bearded lizard. Oh my god. That's a rattlesnake. That is a rattlesnake. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is the Solomon Island boa. That's a boa. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's a ball python. That is a ball python. Oh, ball pythons are perfectly white. Oh my god. Those are so rare. Whoa. Oh, look at this guy. This one. Oh my god. Oh, you. Oh my god. Big nose turtle. Big nose turtle. Oh, it does look like it has a big nose. Oh, that is Frenchie. What's up, guys? Spectacled Cayman. Whoa. You're little but fit. You're medium sized. Guys. Yeah. Hello. Look at this guy. Look at. If you ever see one of these, run. Run. They are slow and you will not be able to catch out. Run for your life. These can rip your arms off. No joke. Nah. No way. No. Oh my god, that is the king cobra. Oh my god. No. That is a green anaconda. That is a green anaconda. Oh my god. Yellow anaconda. Oh my god. For a second there I thought that was one big snake. Oh my god. That was terrifying. It was not a real snake. Black mamba. That is one of the most dangerous snakes in the world right there. Eyelash viper. Venomous. Ooh. He's clinging to the wall. That is a canebrake rattlesnake. Look, that's his rattle. That's the rattle. These are West Coast rattlesnakes. Oh my god. Oh, that's the rattle again. This is Pedro, the mascot of south of the border. Look at this. Fort Pedro. Fireworks, so many. This is where we're eating. Blah, 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 blah. The story of the great white shark. This magnificent creature was captured off the coast of Barbados on April 10, 1995. It was captured by Ray taxidermy east of KNOT, Florida. At 27 feet in length, it is one of only three of the size ever captured. This is an actual taxidermy shark. That was south of the border. I hope you liked it. There are all sorts of fun activities around over there. There are restaurants and souvenirs over here. It's honestly a great place. And then there are like these statues, and one of them is the jackalope over there. You can ride. Peace out, guys.